Today we're going to do just a quick video on changing out the Chevy Volt cabin air filter. First step, you have to go into your glove box, empty everything out. Step 2, remove this plastic lining side. Step 3 is removing this little door at the back. There's a little handle up here. You can just barely see. Grab that, pull down, and then shift it up to get it out of the little latches these go into. Then that allows you to see back to where the air filter is. There's kind of a clip on each side, and then also one up here at the top that's a little difficult to get unless you have kind of a screwdriver or something to help pry it open. I'll be using my Chevy Volt key today. Once you get that top latch, you pull down, and you should see your air filter. But lo and behold, ours didn't have one. I wanted to be able to actually pull an air filter out and show you how dirty it would be after 7-8 years. But instead, I'm going to have to put in a filter and show you later. Well, it's been about a week since I put in an air filter, and we're going to check it. So, to get the air filter back out, it's in there very tight. Reach kind of at the bottom, and you'll have to squeeze your finger in there and get a hold of it to pull it out. It may catch on this corner or this corner as you're trying to wiggle it out. And once you get it, you can kind of see a bit dirt and dust, but not too bad. So for a week after not having a filter for years and years, I would say this isn't too bad. My wife has pretty bad allergies, so I was hoping one of these filters would actually be a good option to help her. I'll update you on how that's gone, but so far hasn't made a huge difference for me. I'll get her feedback and include that below. So I pulled out the previous one. That was a carbon air filter. Tried it for a week. Now I'm going to take this other one, that's Arm & Hammer, to absorb odors and see if that does any better for us. You want to line it up so that the airflow is right. There's usually an arrow and your text that you want to line up this way as you try and fit it in. It's a very tight fit, so you may have some difficulty. Once you've got it in place, be sure and snap the door back in place. Then take the additional panel that fits in 3 grooves. Angle that back in place and push a little bit to get it in. And the last bit, push your little nut. You can fill your glove box up with junk again. As I said, I will update down below with how these air filters have performed for us, and have some links in case you guys need the same. Hey, if you like this content, think about subscribing, then hit the bell icon to get notified, and if you like, give us a like. Thanks, and we'll see you later.